Good food is important. It can put a smile on your face. It can bring together friends and family. And what you choose to cook and eat is vital for sustaining your health and the health of the planet. That's why we believe in making it as easy as possible for everyone to enjoy good food. Each day, our expert team throws open the doors of the Good Food Kitchen on a mission to inspire and entertain. Creating everything from genius social trends you'll want to be the first to know about, through to classic recipes with an exciting twist. And we do it with pride and passion, which means everything you find in our site, app, socials, and magazine has been thoroughly tested and approved by us, then rated by people like you. It's why good food is the nation's trusted friend in the kitchen, making it easier for you every step of the way. Feeling creative and want to make world-class cinnamon buns this weekend? Maybe you need a hand planning a week of cost-conscious lunches. Or just a fun food moment on your phone. Enjoyable ideas, easy-to-follow recipes, smart meal plans, trusted product reviews. Good Food shares this and more with you each day. Every day deserves good food.